It's one of the easiest major purchases my wife and I have ever made, and I just can't recommend the company highly enough. We purchased a to-be-built custom home and quite happy with it. It's great living in a home where you get to pick the colors, you get to pick some of the fixtures, you get to pick some of the the backsplash. You get to have a say-so in your home. We love that area of Yukon. It's a area that's accessible to a lot of everything that we need right there. It's a great area, and it's got some woods that surround it. I love the spaciousness throughout the home. I love the spacious living area, the open concept of the home, to the gas hookup on the back patio where you'll never have to go and buy and hook up a propane tank ever again, to the tankless water heater, to the storm shelter, which we all know we need in this part of the world around storm season. Warranty department's been very helpful. We were able to get everything registered and taken care of immediately after taking possession of the home, and that's a good feeling to know that all of that's taken care of in case you need that going down the road. Professionals throughout. It was a pleasant, seamless transaction and process from the beginning to the end, and there were really no issues, and they were there beside us every step of the way.